here we have a Transit Connect. Just had a system fitted in it today. It's the L2 version, so it's the longer wheelbase, slightly higher payload. So this has got a 500 litre tank in there. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of floor space left in it. It's a two-man system. It's got the auto fill and flush system on there now, so as you can see, the system's just flushing at the minute. It's got an inline booster pump on there, 12 volt, works in conjunction with the auto flush box and shuts off when the tank's full. So it not only increases fill time but puts the correct pressure through the RO system. It's got a sight glass there on the side, so you can see how much water's in there. Overflow pipe, just in case anything malfunctions, that goes down through the floor. Got the stainless steel port plate on the bumper there, with the stainless steel fittings. Whole storage tubes, they're fitted and they actually go through the bulkhead of the van, so that you can put longer poles through. It's got an independent battery on the top here, just at the back under that cover, and it's got a split charge relay system wired up to the alternator on the van.